Hello, and welcome to Beyond Earth News. I'm Zach, and sadly, as you can see, it's still just me today. In today's video, we're talking about the delivery of the European service module that will be used on the Orion spacecraft that will deliver humans back to the moon. The European Space Agency announced the beginning of the journey on August 22nd. The completed ESM-3 has left the Airbus facility in Bremen, Germany. From there, it will be loaded onto a transport ship called the Canopy. The Canopy will then spend roughly 12 days crossing the Atlantic to deliver the ESM-3 to NASA's Kennedy Space Center. The ESM began in a Thales Alenia space facility in Turin, Italy. It was there that the module's structure was constructed. The structure is capable of supporting 33 engines, 4 propellant tanks, enough wiring to stretch 11 kilometers, or almost 7 miles, and solar arrays that can generate enough electricity to power 2 households. The main engine, a space shuttle engine that's flown 9 times, was installed earlier this year. Not only did construction and assembly take place in Italy and Germany, but the spacecraft sourced parts from 20 companies spread across 10 European nations. Examples include electronics from France and Denmark, solar array wings from the Netherlands, and a thermal control unit from Spain. This shows strong internal cooperation within Europe to work towards a return to the moon. Once ESM-3 reaches Kennedy Space Center, it will be integrated with the crew module adapter, and eventually the crew module. The fully assembled spacecraft will then go through vigorous testing to ensure that it can safely carry its crew to the moon. The ESM is a vital component for mission success. It provides power to the spacecraft. It also houses the fuel and propulsion system that will get the astronauts to their destination, as well as the life support system that will keep them alive. It's no exaggeration to say that without the service module, there would be no Artemis mission. So now, the part of the video you all are here to see, my thoughts. First, I want to say that I like that progress is being made on Artemis missions beyond Artemis II, Artemis II being the next one to launch, but we're seeing that components and pieces of the spacecraft for Artemis III, Artemis IV, beyond are already being worked on, developed, so that we can keep a steady launch cadence. We're not just working on the one spacecraft, waiting for it to launch, and then starting the next one. That would take forever. So, it's logical what we're seeing here, that work is being done beyond the current mission. And then second, I like the international cooperation here. Apollo was just an American mission. It was all U.S. made. This time around, we're working with our partners overseas or across the border in Canada to bring us all together as a group to the moon. And those groups, Europe, Canada, they're helping us develop this program, and in exchange, they'll get to see, their own astronauts reach the lunar surface. So I love seeing that cooperation, and obviously hope to see more nations sign on as the Artemis program develops further. Of course, we love to hear your guys' thoughts. Let us know what you think about the Artemis program, about Europe's contributions in the comments down below. If you've made it this far, please like and subscribe for more Beyond Earth news. Thanks for watching.